First, in HD, this is 13 Eyewitness News at 4.
Okay, in today's Hometown Live report, as hundreds of thousands of local students heading back to the classroom today, some students in Katy, well, guess what? They got to walk through a brand new school today.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive. And when they arrived, they were greeted by a really special couple who consider this new school to be, so far, their greatest achievement.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. Talk about a special start to a new school year at Katy ISD's brand new Ray and Jamie Woolman Elementary. Students were greeted by none other than Ray and Jamie Woolman.
It's been an incredible journey, and this is just the beginning for us.
Hi, I'm Jamie Woolman.
This honor came after a combined 77 years of passionate work in education. Ray, who began his career as the only science teacher at Katy's only high school, and then later headed up the Welch Outdoor Learning Center. Jamie, a special needs teacher and then counselor. She says the school's mascot, the Explorer, is perfect.
We feel like you can explore anything. You can explore the library, books, but you can explore science. You can explore the outdoors.
And there is plenty here to explore. More than 120,000 square feet houses 42 classrooms, a library and media center, science laboratory, art rooms with a pottery kiln, music rooms, and a shiny new gym. And the students will have their new school's namesakes to be their tour guides.
They just give such a warmth. It's just such a family atmosphere, which is what we want for our school. They're just such a huge part of us. We couldn't ask for better namesakes than Mr. and Mrs. Woolman.
It's an honor, but it's a blessing, and it's kind of like your education career just continues and continues and continues. And now we have a whole new education family.
The enthusiasm just pours out of them. Such a great couple. And actually, they have their own parking spot at the new elementary school, so they're going to be there all the time.
They will be there constantly, and it'll be a blessing to the kids.
Yeah, absolutely.
No doubt.
And you can tell. All right, of course, we are busy here keeping a close watch on Tropical Storm Isaac as it makes its way